Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samuel. We are here again with another brand new update, and as you know, in this our channel Wealthy Family, we talk about creating wealth, making money online without spending any money. So today I'm here with a new update. Please, if you are new in this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like, and drop a comment in the comment section below. Ask any question you feel like asking. If you heard about anything that you have to confirm, drop it in the comment section below. I will attend to it and I will answer your questions accordingly. So this the update. Let me just brief you about the update. The update is a bank app, not is an online banking app. Online banking app where you can save your money just like a bank. From the bank you can get your ATM, you can do this, but many people don't actually know you can make a lot of money using this particular app. And now that is what I'm going to show you today. That is the aspect I'm going to show you today, how to use this app to make up to 5,000 naira every day doing small tasks. Now let me go straight to the bank app and let me show you how it is done. Let me show you how it is done. Now the bank I'm talking about is Kuda Bank. We all know about Kuda. Like most of us know about Kuda. In fact, most of us are using it, but we don't know how to use it to make at least 5,000 in a day. And now I will show you. But before I show you, let me just explain something to you about Kuda Bank. Let me explain something to you about Kuda Bank. It's an online banking system. We have 25 transactions every blessed day. 25 every month. You can get 25 transfers every month. You can save your money, then you can have card. Yeah, this is it. This is my card, my Visa card. So you can get your card that you can use probably to pay your online payment, all this thing. But that is not where we are going to today. That's not what we are going to do. Today I will only be showing you how to use to make money, and I will drop a link in the description where you can actually get. That's the link we use, because without using the link you can't get anything. This is how this thing work. Let me show you how the referrals work, because we are going to be making money from referrals. Now look at it. Share 2,000 equally with a friend, get 1,000 when a friend sign up with your Kuda referral code, adds a BVN and valid ID, and buys 500 airtime. Your friend also gets 1,000. You see, without a referral code you can't get a kobo. So I'm going to drop my referral code down below so you can use it. Copy it and use it so you can get 1,000 naira, free 1,000 naira. Then imagine doing it for 5 person a day. Don't tell me you don't have more than 5 friends. So imagine it for like 5 of your friends in a day. That is 5,000 every single day, every blessed day. You'll be earning 5,000 naira. And I will actually share you a secret. I'm going to show you a small secret where you can speed up your earning. Number one is go to your Facebook. Join groups that deal with making money online. Then drop your update. Hello guys, I found a new update where you can actually make 1,000 per referrals. If you are interested, DM me. Simple as ABC. Join up to 10 groups. Say the same thing. Post consistently about this thing, and you will see every day you have more than 10 people. That's roughly 10,000 every day. So that's what the update is all about. If you find this video very useful, click on the like button, comment, and if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll be dropping a video soon. Now it's going to be very epic. As you all know, all my videos are epic, because I don't just show you how to make money, I show you how to make money better. I don't show you what is not possible, I show you what is possible to do, possible way to make money. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video.